And considerable excitement has broken out in a local university after one of the students in their math PhD programs managed to solve the problem of finding 3 meals in a day. Students and faculty are stunned alike at the occurrence, given the complete absence of funding in the field. We cut now to an interview with the poor boy. Well, most days I'll manage to score 2 meals in a day. The first is a cup of instant noodles that I get from the local Chinese cafe. And the second is something that I quite look forward to, and that is a second cup of instant noodles with a discounted hot dog from a cart that is technically banned on the campus. Where do you get the money to buy instant noodles, Sammy? Well, the department has an arrangement with the cafe where the cafe gives out entire batches of instant noodles to us every week by leaving it next to their trash. So tell us the story of your third meal yesterday then. Right. My parents came over and they took me out to lunch. And I wish that happened more often. But Sammy, this is ludicrous. There must be some dining events on the campus. Well, occasionally the math department organizes conferences when one of us works up the courage to tell the others what he spent his youth perusing. But even then, the department only provides us with biscuits, and riots often break out if one person tries to grab more than one biscuit. And a biscuit is hardly nutritious enough to be called a meal. Of course, we're not allowed to attend any of the events by the other departments, as our professors think they'll spoil us. Sammy? Yes? Given the shortage of funding in mathematics, why is it that students like you don't leave the field? Well, some will tell you that it's because of their unquenchable love for the subject, but not me, man. I'm just scared of the real world out there. I'm scared to face it in all its imperfections. Over here, when you say that a continuous bijection from a compact space to a Hausdorff space is a homeomorphism, it's gonna stay that way for all time and eternity. It's not dependent on external forces beyond your control like the government or the banks or your manager. Every fact has a theorem in math and needs no cultural restructuring whatsoever. It's very safe in here. And if I have to get by on 2 cups of instant noodles and a rotten hot dog a day for it, well, that looks like a good deal to me. The interview was, of course, cut short after Sammy Chamberlain passed out from the inevitability of consequences. Despite Sammy's little win there, starvation remains one of the many underfunded problems in the math community.